Rich Rossi back with you at Film Festival Week with Claudia Lagnado.
Yes.
Beautiful Italian name. I'm also Italian. It's a little easier. Rich Rossi and Claudia Lagnado. It's a little tough.
Yeah.
Now, I saw you a couple of years ago in Roy, which was an amazing...
Actually, it was last year.
Last year.
We won many awards, and one of them was Best Actor in a Short.
Fantastic, Claudia.
That I won.
Well, you are talented. Now, I didn't realize till recently that you're also a psychiatrist.
That's right.
I mean, that's a really good business for you to be working in. Not only can you act, but you can help a lot of these people who are in the business.
I'm trying to help them out. I'm trying to help everybody. I'm very happy.
Roy, when you did Roy, that was an amazing piece. Did you write that as well as? Or?
No, actually, our company was associated with the company Peking. Gregory Mitnick directed it. He's a very talented director and cinematographer, and was filmed in a Chinatown where a lady passed away, and it was kind of eerie where we did it, and it's about this isolated guy who had a relationship with a dead body, basically.
Unbelievable. And that's probably from your psychiatric work that you
exactly.
Got that. You drew really well. And that's the one you won Best Actor for,
exactly.
Right?
I get into very dark roles.
That was an amazing piece.
Yeah.
Now, it's very funny because I was in Montreal, Canada, and I saw a familiar face. That was you. What were you doing there?
Well, there actually we went to see the screening of our movie Heaven is Waiting.
Right, which is playing here tonight.
Exactly.
Well, not tonight, but it's playing here.
Heaven is Waiting. It was directed by Shlomi Ben Yair, very talented Israeli director. And it was nominated Best Short at the Academy Qualifying Rhode Island International. Was nominated Best Short at Milan International Film Festival, as well as the screening at the Montreal World Film Festival, where I met you.
Yes, that was right. That's where we met there. Amazing. Small world, right? I was like, I turned around and you're there. I'm like, what a small world.
And Heaven is Waiting, it's a very exciting movie.
Right.
Being that he's a director, he was also in the Israeli army, and at first hand, he brings in his real life experience to the movie.
Right.
And it was shot in red camera.
Okay.
Its cinematography is excellent. And basically it's about this Palestinian girl who comes to see me. I'm playing the character named Rohi, which is a suicide bomber handler.
Wow.
And it's basically the issue about a suicide bomber who's a female, and that's all the issues about the Muslims and the Muslim world.
Very interesting plot theme in this kind of time and climate with the light of the 9/11.
Exactly.
Now,
also we're also writers. Me and my brother Josh Lagnado.
That's right. I do know.
Who was in Pan Am,
right?
Pan Am recently with Christina Ricci.
Unbelievable.
And he's on a roll, and he just did a commercial with Jennifer Lopez and other things. We wrote a script called Tango Shalom.
Yes.
About a Hasidic Jew who struggles with his beliefs, his family, his community, and the Russian mafia when he receives a message from God to dance the tango. And,
that's got to be interesting.
Exactly. And we have Renee Taylor.
I haven't seen that one, but I have seen some of your
We have Renee Taylor from The Nanny. We have Josefina Scaglione, who played Maria in Harvey Weinstein's West Side Story. And we have Lucilla Sola, who's Al Pacino's girlfriend, who is an excellent actress.
Wow.
Who was in Wild Salome with Al Pacino. And so we got a couple of named actors. We're talking to people.
We're very honored to have you here. I mean, an award-winning actor here at the New York and the IFQ and the ITN Film Festival Week. That's Festival Week. We're very excited to have you here.
Yeah, I'm very excited to be here because your festival is really some place where independent filmmakers can come and then get supported by your festival.
Right.
And they have a chance to meet with other people, network, and break through. There's all kinds of levels that come here, and some are very high level, and some are a little less.
We've had some big films. We had Val Kilmer's
film. It's like a mentoring kind of a situation.
We had Steven Gutenberg last year, Val Kilmer. We have some people this year.
Very exciting.
It really is. And it's very exciting to have you.
Also, mention the after parties.
Oh, yes.
And every day an after party. You go to a place, you pay $20 for an after party. And I think the price that we pay here as filmmakers is very cheap considering we get after party every day. We get a red carpet treatment by guys like you, Rich Ross.
Thank you so much.
And we get nice people from all over the world.
It's a great networking opportunity.
Yes, definitely. I'm very happy to be here.
We're very happy to have you back again as an award-winning actor.
Thank you.
Now that you're an award-winning actor.
And filmmaker.
Yeah, and filmmaker, that's right. And, interesting thing about Claudia is that Every year, he's always been very supportive of the independent film work, and we're waiting for him to do a feature next time. I want to see a feature from you.
I'm ready, Rich.
Okay.
I'm ready. I did a movie called Motion Sickness, which was directed by S.M. Kirstein. Very scary movie. It's in the mind of some character, Orthodox Jewish guy, and it's all surrealistic. And he just submitted to Sundance and Slam Dance, and I play a Southerner, ex-convict, hearse driver, grave robber named Captain Herman. And
you have so many things on your plate, it's hard to keep up with you. And then you do psychiatry when you're not doing that.
Exactly.
Well,
I'm trying to get out of psychiatry because it drives me nuts.
That's a good line. I'm trying to get out of psychiatry because it's driving me nuts.
Exactly.
And on that note, and I want to thank Stuart Olson, Nicole Holland, Sean, Lucas Savage, and all the folks that work with the festival to put this together, make it a wonderful, Beline, and Andrew Kane, and Shake, and all the other folks that have helped us make this a wonderful festival again this year. So on behalf of all the folks and the festival week, I'm Rich Rossi, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.